Hello everyone, welcome to Euron. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Euron Assist. So I believe guys, we all are aware about ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, Perplexity, such kind of a LLM based platform or tools. And it's very much popular amongst all of us. And to do any work nowadays, whether we are writing a code or maybe we are trying to create a material or we are trying to write something creative, or we are trying to search something, we need these kind of a tool. So now these tools became a Google search engine or alternative of a Google search engine for all of us. Now, for our students, we are also creating something like that. And let me show you that particular part. So here you will be able to find out Euron Assist. Now this Euron Assist is available with the plans, with the plus. If you have plus plan, you have an access of all the paid courses, books, recorded live projects, everything. Or if you have an org plan, so with that you will be able to access Euron Assist. Now you can come over here and then you can ask anything. Anything means literally you will be able to ask anything. And ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, most of these platforms are going to charge you $20 per month to give you the same information. Now here there is no charges that you have to pay additionally. You are just paying for the courses, you are just paying for the project, and that too just 2,999 rupees, not more than that. And for an year you will be able to get an access of everything, including this Euron Assist. And we are trying to build this one more and more. We are trying to bring lots and lots of feature inside the same. Now let's go and test it and let's ask a couple of questions. So tell me about Euron. So let's see how fast it is. So yes, this is quite fast. Euron is a tech company founded by Sudhanshu Kumar, a seasoned entrepreneur and a former founder and CEO of iNote AI, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it is able to give me an answer. Give me a roadmap to become a big data engineer. So let's see whether it is able to give me a roadmap or not. So yes, in a planned way, as a phase 1, then phase 2, then phase 3, and a planned way, it is able to give me this entire thing. So like I said, guys, the way ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, Perplexity are going to give you something. So yes, in the same way, it is going to give you something. Now, let me write some sort of code. So print, and then maybe I'll just make a mistake. I'll just make a mistake and I'll just ask it, correct this. So this is a wrong code, I know. I see you are trying to print some text, but it seems like there is an error. Could you please rephrase your request? So correct this code. Yeah, so it has corrected, right? So it is giving me the correction. It is telling me that either in this way or maybe in this way you can try to write the code and it's completely fine. So yes, it is able to do a code correction. Now give me a code for Python, or give me a coding example of Python exception handling. So let's see. So what kind of a, okay, fine. So it's too fast, guys. It's very fast. As you can see, just in a fraction of a second, it is giving me all of these answer. So whatever you would like to ask, whether you would like to conduct your interview, whether you would like to create your resume, whether you are looking for some sort of a creative. Okay, so write a LinkedIn post about Euron for me and include emojis, emojis. Let's see whether it will be able to do it or not. Okay, wow. So it is including an emoji. If I'm going to ask that include less number of emojis or more number of emojis, so yes, it will be able to. And it has written a beautiful LinkedIn post for me. So for any purposes, guys, for anything that you can think of, right, you can go and you can try to use Euron Assist. Like I said, this is available with plans. So if you have an access of Euron Plus, or if you have an access of Euron Org, you will be able to access it. Let's suppose if you have taken individual courses, right, and you don't have a plan access, not an issue. So any course with us is available with 2,000 rupees or maybe 2,500 rupees. Just pay the difference of amount. You don't have to pay the again same amount, just pay the difference of amount and you will be able to access Euron Assist and every paid feature for an entire year. Simple, right? It's very, very simple. Plus, please do look into the partnership. It's an amazing thing that we have launched. you all are going to enjoy it. We are sharing a 50% commission, a 50% revenue for a lifetime with all of you. I have already created a separate video for this one, so please go and check out this Euron partnership, and I'm going to see you, all of you, in a next video.